Hello friends, this is Tom Ott with Keller Williams Premier Realty, letting you know, giving you advance notice that tomorrow, Wednesday, October 14th, there'll be a new home on the market. A nice two-story, 4 bedrooms up, a lot of updates, new carpets, fresh paint, finished lower level, and a 4-season porch on a cul-de-sac. It is at 8392 Hefner Court in Cottage Grove. You can reach me at 612-701-7474. Tomorrow, Wednesday, October 14th, it will be open from 5:30 to 6 p.m. Stop by. I'd love to see you.